This is Lakshmi. So I will be the host for you for your DevOps training. So DevOps is a kind of combination, and I have been working for the. I have a total experience of 14 years, and I have been working on DevOps for the past 9 years. So, DevOps is a very interesting topic, and there are many tools where we can learn each and every day new things. So, it is very interesting as well to work on DevOps. So, DevOps is a combination of continuous integration and continuous deployment. DevOps consists of many automation tools. Today, many companies are adopting DevOps as it is reducing the human efforts, as well as it reduces a huge amount of time. So there are many DevOps tools. So we can see each and every DevOps tool. So the first will be GitHub, which is a version control tool where we store all our code base. So mainly in today DevOps, the code is being in Java, which we use Maven as the build automation tool, which is mainly done for Java code. So the Maven code as well as all the codes are being stored in our GitHub. So here we can even create the branches and versions for each and every deployments. So next will be our Jenkins, which is the automation tool which is used to create pipelines and jobs where we can run from build till deployment. In Jenkins, we can integrate with many other tools as well. So we can build the code quality check and then transfer the artifacts to the artifactory as well as the deployment using Jenkins pipelines. Next is the SonarQube, which is the code quality tool, which is used to check our code quality, and we can set the thresholds and the success rates. Next will be the Artifactory, where we store the artifacts, which are the like jar files and images, which will be the output of our Maven build. Next is the deployment. So deployment, we use Docker as well as Kubernetes. Docker is used to create images as well as for deployments. Docker creates images using the Docker file. And Kubernetes is as well set up in AWS cloud or in any other cloud as well, in Azure or in IBM cloud or any cloud. AWS is Amazon cloud, which is used as a cloud computing tool. So in AWS we can create the nodes, and those nodes are used in Kubernetes to create the pods. Pods are nothing but the servers, and many containers run inside each and every pod. So the Kubernetes, we use it for our deployments, so we create the pod and then deploy each and everything on top of the pod. This is how Kubernetes works. Next, we can see the DevOps architecture. As I already said, DevOps consists of continuous development, continuous testing, continuous deployment, and continuous monitoring. Continuous development consists of plan and code. Continuous testing consists of build and test. Then these are all comes under the integration. And then we see about continuous deployment, which consists of deploy and operate. The next will be continuous monitoring, which we use it for monitoring all our logs and any server. If at all the server is down or anything, we can check through monitoring. So this is about our continuous integration and continuous deployment. Thank you.